Bob Wheeler. Sometimes we do not know what we need in our lives until it's there. I did not know I needed laughter. I did not know I needed your kindness and love. I promise to pray for you and love you always.
Thank you. Kind of sounded like vows.
Yes, husband. Now where am I?
Husband? Boy, I like the sound of that. Abishola, from the moment I met you, you've been pushing me to be a better version of myself. You took care of my heart. And I promise you I will take care of yours. I will spend every day making sure you are safe, happy, and loved.